previously on the Creator TV.
Time to cook up that heat. We're gonna go on and bust these packs on open. I would say if you want something that's close to like a real embroidered type material, I had to get y'all a little close up right quick, let y'all see what it look like. And then 305 degrees Fahrenheit. Want to call it like I always say. And yeah, that's what it is. I had to show y'all this cook up and follow up on the last video. And yeah, the stack pans came out real dope. The look came out real dope. What's going on, nation? Y'all already know what it is. Read the Creator back with another video, and we about to cook up some heat like always, man. So yeah, let's get into it. We about to cook up some Martin Luther King heat today. In honor of Martin Luther King Jr. birthday, I figured, I had to cook up a piece. And y'all know I keep something laying around. So I had a black crew neck sweater laying around, and I'm like, you know what? Let me come up with something for Martin Luther King, bro. It's his day. I gotta show him some love. And what better way than do what I do best? So Photoshop, right now, we got it up. I came up with the I Have a Dream design, and I had put his face on it, and y'all gonna see this come to life from scratch. So basically, I got a basic font, a regular Arial font, and I stacked I Have a Dream a few times over and over again in one little, like a passage basically. Added the period to the end of it, and then, that's basically from his famous speech. And yeah, that's how we come. We're gonna do that. So we went to Google, found a regular image. I searched Martin Luther King vector. Took the first one from the file, and that's the one that I have on the wall in the creator studio too. But yeah, we're gonna take that, we're gonna magic erase to the background, knock all that out, get all the gray parts out so it can be clear, transparent. And then the design is to life. Some simple too. I wanted to keep it simple because I ain't want this video to get carried away. You know how I get sometimes. If y'all been watching or y'all part of the nation, then y'all know this for y'all. And y'all know I be trying to make my videos as short as possible, but I never can. But actually, guess what? I finally did it. The first time I don't say this is my shortest video, it ended up being the shortest video. But yeah, one time for the boy MLK, real legend. I had to put it down right quick, man. And we bringing it to life. So y'all see I'm loading it up in the software that I use to cut the vinyl out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the I Have a Dream in regular white vinyl. And I'm going to do the Martin Luther King vector, his head, the silhouette. I'm going to do that in black flock suede vinyl. And then it's gonna lay on top of the white. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we loaded both of them up into the software after we exported it from Photoshop, imported it into the software. And this is how it's gonna look. As y'all can see, we're gonna bring that to the front. And yeah, something real simple, but when they go on the sweater, it's gonna be real nice. So also I figured, why not go ahead and distress it a little bit and make it a crop? I ain't wanna just do a regular one. So I went on ahead and took this, got me some new scissors, as y'all can see from the last video. I ain't got the little dull scissors that I had last time. But yeah, we working, man. We're gonna go on and cut that on up, clip the bottom off. And now we got that clipped off, we good to go. It's a crop sweater. And yeah, let's go ahead and load the vinyl up. Load all the vinyl up. We're gonna cut everything on out, pretty simple. Y'all already know I'm cutting out regular vinyl, so I'm using the regular blade. Weed all that on out. Y'all know this is the part that a lot of people don't like to do, but I still have fun weeding, so it don't be nothing to me. Pick it on out, get all that on out of there, and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and press it. Let's go. As y'all can see, this is already, that's hard right there. Like that I Have a Dream stack could be a actual sweater sold right now in the store somewhere, just like that without the face. So y'all know how it's gonna look with the face on it. And like I said, I was just sitting around and I had been seeing this in my head all day and I had to do it. I actually fell asleep, took a nap, and I almost missed the day. I woke up like, hold on, let me get this done right quick. But yeah, there we go, man. We're going to press it. My heat press not that big, so y'all know I'm going to maneuver it, move it around, press it all the way around, make sure all the vinyl get pressed, flip it around the other way, same thing. If you got a small press, don't be ashamed, man. Use that small press. Make it happen. Don't worry about what they got. You going to get that. But yeah, keep pushing. That's all you got to do. And make it come to life. Y'all see me, hey. I ain't letting you make no excuses. Y'all see me. I'm bringing it to life. This right here is hard. Like, I'm gonna wear this one day. I don't know when, but yeah. I Have a Dream. Martin Luther King. Let's get it. Gonna press that a few more times. And when y'all see me making all these press, I'm only hitting it for like 2 seconds per press right quick because I don't want to overdo it. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's evenly pressed all the way around. Y'all know I like to overdo it if you've been watching my videos. But yeah, we're gonna load up the black suede now, the flock vinyl. And once that cut out, we're gonna lay that on there and press that. And then we good to go. But first we gotta weed it out because y'all know we gotta weed it out. Ain't nothing wrong with weeding, man. Some people hate weeding. I don't be tripping.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up.
So clear, look how clear the image is, bro. Let's get it. That came out too clean. Bet. So we finna go ahead and put it on the sweater. Now the sweater look good like that already. But yeah, I had to use this image because that's the image that I got on my wall. So I don't even know how it wasn't saved. But yeah, we snatched it off Google right quick. And now we finna go ahead and press that part. And once we press that, it's basically a 2-part design. Press the regular vinyl and then layer the flock on top so that it'll give it some texture. And then it'll stand out and it won't just blend right in. And then, yeah, that's what it is, man. Now y'all about to see what we made in less than 10 minutes. Really, it was quicker than that, but I'm just saying this video is probably like gonna be close to 10 minutes. Actually, I think it's less than that, like I said. So yeah, shortest video. I finally did it, y'all. But the first time I didn't try to do it, I made my shortest video yet. And let's go. That's what it is. I have a dream, Martin Luther King crop crew with a little distressed bottom. I had distressed it off camera. I just didn't record that part. But yeah, came out A1, super clean. If I wanted to, I could put a tag in it to turn it all the way up. But this was just a quick video, man. Like I said, I had to get this content out and I didn't want to hold it up. I wanted it out before the day was over. And yeah, that's what it is. Martin Luther King, happy birthday in honor of a legend. Created a nice little piece and it's not for sale, but you know, I might rock it. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. If y'all tuned in, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.